Welcome to the operation guide for the xFlex-4046EW electric scissor lift. Let's get you up and working safely. Right away, check your battery gauge. Always ensure you have a solid charge before lifting to avoid getting stuck up top. Before operating the scissor lift, always ensure proper personal protective equipment is worn, including a safety helmet. Need extra reach over an obstacle? Step on the release pedal and push the deck forward to extend the platform. To begin, locate the main power switch on the ground control panel. Pull out the red main power button to activate the system. Next, twist the emergency stop button clockwise to release it. This allows us to operate the ground control. Insert the key and select your desired control mode. Before switching to joystick control, pull out the red emergency stop button to enable the system. To move around the site, press the drive button. Squeeze the trigger on the joystick and push forward to drive or pull back to reverse to steer. Just use your thumb on the top rocker switch to point the wheels left or right. When you are ready to elevate, switch over to lift mode. Look up to check for overhead clearance. Then push the joystick forward to rise. Pull it back to come down safely. Always operate on flat ground and stay safe out there. Navigating a tight space, turn on turtle mode for slower, safer movement. Joystick control is located on the platform, but we can also use joystick control from the ground. When operating from the ground, remember you are controlling from one side and cannot see the other side, so always check that the other side is clear of people before moving. If you're stuck on the scissor lift platform and it won't lower, remember this important rule. You cannot perform this procedure by yourself. You need someone on the ground to assist you. First, call for help immediately. Once assistance arrives, instruct them to pull out the T-handle lever. This will allow the platform to descend slowly. Next, have them push in the black knob and press the red button firmly until it is fully depressed. This releases the brake. After the platform is safely down, the machine can be moved if necessary. Always follow this emergency procedure with a second person present for your safety.